Okay, here we are. We'll continue with the parking brake installation. We now have it mounted in the dash. You can see there the wires, two wires coming from it. That's it there beside the ignition switch. This is the ignition switch. You can get some light on it. So there's a wire going from there. Now it's screwed into the back of here with all the other accessories and plugins on the top of the switch. That's a 1/2-inch nut there. You need a deep socket to get to that, or a Allen wrench, or not Allen wrench. Those tight quarters. And then the other wire, the long one, going from the light, goes over here to the new switch on the parking brake. So we're gonna get out of here and go test it out. The only thing I didn't like was this fitment. Oh, I can't see what I'm doing here. Okay, not good. I'm upside down in the car. Let me just try to fix the light again. All right, where were we? So the switch here, the rubber boot, it's loose and it doesn't fit tight. It doesn't go all the way on. I thought it would go farther on, so it's kind of loosey-goosey. And I don't want to refund it too much because it's brittle. But hopefully that's what the connection is. But you're also, when you're in the car, you're gonna have to be careful not kicking this wire. So I'm gonna try to tuck it under here a little bit better. And I'm going to take the long one and clip it to this silver harness here. Get all that tightened up, and then I'm gonna get upside and turn the engine on and see if the light actually works.